Here with Dan Dwyer from Eastern Rural. How's the Dalby sale today, Dan?
Yeah, thanks, Sam. Today, sale combined agents held a total of 6,104 head, up 1,836 on last week. The prices remain relatively firm on last week. A couple of categories may have drifted a little bit. Now for your quotes.
Bullocks 430 to 450 to average 436, up 6. Heavy feeder steers 428 to 505 to average 475, up 5. Heavy feeder heifers 380 to 430 to average 415, up 9. Prime cows 378 to 393 to average 383, up 5. Medium cows 355 to 370 to average 362, up 6. Store cows 287 to 314 to average 294, up 6. Heavy bull 360 to 404 to average 388, back 4. Light bulls 370 to 484 to average 435, back 6. Yearling steers 446 to 498 to average 468, back 36. Yearling heifers 360 to 436 to average 387, back 14. Weaner steers 400 to 559 to average 510, up 11. Weaner heifers 340 to 458 to average 414, up 24. Cows and calves range from 1400 to 2150.
This has been Dan Dwyer with this week's Dalby Market Report. Next week, Eastern Rural are selling in 8th position, so get your bookings in nice and early.